Thunderbird Drone Festival is proud to announce Scavendrone. Scavendrone is a 48-hour scavenger hunt by drone for individuals or teams. Scavendrone is co-hosted by our friends at AirVūz. This second-year event will take place July 8th and 9th. Here's how Scavendrone will work. On July 8th at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, an email will be sent to all registered participants or teams with a list of 5 items to find and photograph with a drone. Each pilot or team will have from 12 a.m. Central Standard Time on July 8th until 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on July 9th to find, photograph, edit, and submit your photos to AirVūz. Photos will be judged and nominated as part of Thunderbird Drone Festival's Film and Photo Awards show on August 12th in Oklahoma. Best of all, Scavendrone is free to enter. Want to play Scavendrone? Here's how. Step 1. Go to ThunderbirdDroneFestival.com, navigate to the Scavendrone page, and fill out the registration form. Step 2. Go to AirVūz.com and create an account, if you don't have one already. Step 3. On July 8th at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, you will receive an email from Thunderbird Drone Festival. In that email, there will be a list of 5 items and rules. Find all of the items on that list that you can, photograph them, and upload them to your AirVūz profile. Make sure you follow all the rules provided in the email that is sent to you. We hope that you will be part of Thunderbird Drone Festival's Scavendrone.